Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Symbols.
What does the dictionary say?
Something used for or regarded as representing something else. A material object representing something, often something immaterial. Emblem, token, or sign.
Math rap.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, plus minus, x, slash, a symbolic vision. Math symbols represent things we do and know to equal what we want to show.
Math rap.
Math teachers make perfect drummers. They're great with symbols. How many math symbols can you think of? Make a math sentence using words and symbols. For example, be greater than, not less than. Define symbols in your own words. What are your thoughts on symbols? Do they represent something necessary in life? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!